Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Harford County in northern Maryland, southeastern Carroll County in north central Maryland, Baltimore County in northern Maryland, Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northern Howard County in central Maryland, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from Reisterstown to Sykesville, and were moving east at 35 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Randallstown, Owings Mills, Milford Mill, Cockeysville, Falstaff, Woodlawn, Timonium, Roland Park, Howard Park, Towson. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts and frequent